Number 1 lives in a house so small, one little door and that is all. Number 2 lives in a house so bright, 2 windows shining in the light. Number 3 lives in a house so round, 3 chimneys standing on the ground. Number 4 lives in a house so neat, 4 little steps for tiny feet. Number 5 lives in a house so tall, 5 red bricks upon the wall. Number 6 lives in a house so wide, 6 green trees grow by the side. Number 7 lives in a house so sweet, 7 flowers bloom at the street. Number 8 lives in a house of blue, 8 balloons float up the view. Number 9 lives in a house of gold, 9 shining stars, their stories told. Number 10 lives in a house so grand, 10 happy friends all hold hands.
Hi kids, hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, babe.